In this episode, we are looking at the best robot vacuum on the market for every price range. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points. So no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Eufy RoboVac 11. You can set this robot vacuum to your desired mode with respect to the type of surface you want to clean. Each mode has its benefit and function, with one mode for cleaning under furniture and the other for scrubbing, sweeping, and sucking in hard particles. It can collect dirt of up to 0.6 liters, making it one of the few robot vacuums that have this capacity. It has a tempered glass surface with an anti-scratch feature that keeps it from damage when in use. It comes with an AC adapter, a remote control, 4 brushes, and a charging base. ILIFE A4S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum can work for 120 minutes before the battery runs down. You can preset the device to start working anytime, even if you weren't there. It supports every type of floor and will adjust automatically when placed on different surfaces. When its battery is exhausted, it will go to its charging base and start charging automatically. There are dirt sensors installed into it that help it to find hidden dirt particles in every nook and cranny of the house, including the walls and under furniture. It includes a power adapter, filters, a remote control, and a user manual. iRobot Roomba 960 Robot Vacuum. This robot vacuum performs excellently when it comes to cleaning. It comes with V-SLAM navigation technology installed, and this enables the device to measure an area within seconds to deliver optimum coverage. It does not only clean visible particles, but also all invisible dust and allergens caused by pets, thereby giving you a clean and healthy environment to live in. It stops cleaning whenever it is short of power, and it will start charging immediately to continue where it's left off when charged. It comes with a free app, the Google Assistant and Alexa features to make controlling it easy.